Hi Yolanda, this is Tony. We spoke quickly on Tuesday and I mentioned I wanted to send you guys out this quick video. So here it is. What I wanted to do was give you 3 tips to help increase your online presence in order to help you generate new business, specifically via your website. I do this for free for small businesses. The only thing I ask is if you guys find the information valuable, just hit reply on the email, let me know what you thought. Even if it's to tell me, thank you Tony, but no thank you, that's perfectly fine. That way I don't have to call you guys back 10 times trying to find out if somebody actually watched this thing. And Yolanda, I don't know if you're a decision maker or not. If there's somebody better suited to watch the video and you think it would be valuable to them, please forward it on so they can take a peek. So with that, I would like to go over Google's 3 main ranking factors. That's content, citations, and backlinks. And content is just the words and images here on your homepage. Google really values well-written authoritative content, and it welcomes as much of it as you are able to give them. With that knowledge, we suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And that's not the only reason why. The secondary reason is keywords. So when people search for roofers, they're searching for things like roof repair Orlando. This gets searched approximately 250 times a month in the Orlando area. If you don't have some variation of that keyword or key phrase, whatever you want to call it, on this page, chances are you're not going to be found for it. And there's a bunch of these kind of words, not just this one. So the more content you have, the better. And when I do a quick search or copy and paste of your page, you've got about 517. So definitely can use some more content here on your homepage to help you out. I'm going to go down here to the first roofing contractor that comes up for this search, Gold Key. I'm going to copy theirs just as a comparison, and they've about doubled you up. So if you were to get to 1,500 to 2,000, you'd be beating them, and that would be a good thing as far as your ranking in the Orlando area for roofing keywords. So moving on, after doing the search at the top, we get these sponsored ads. These are the pay-per-click ads. People are paying for Google to display them up top. That's fine, but that's not what I want to talk about today. The area below I do want to talk about. This is called the Map Pack, and about 50% of the search volume for these kind of keywords are going to call or click on one or more of these listings. So it's important to be here if you're trying to grow your or increase your call volume. So how do you do that? That's called citations, and that's your company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites around the web. Sites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Thumbtack, Angie's List, Porch, LinkedIn, even Facebook. Get your site added to 10 to 15 of these per week, and over time you're going to start seeing your listings start rising in the ranks here in this area. Just be super careful to be consistent with the way you input that data across the various sites. Consistency is key. So the area below here, this is called the organic listings, and these are more affected by something called backlinks. And all that is your company website URL in a clickable format out on another website. It's essentially a vote for your website from that website. It's important to understand not all backlinks are created equal, though. You want to get links from trusted and powerful websites out there. And if at all possible, from websites that are relevant to your niche. So another roofer's website, if you have a sister company or something, or a family member in another state that owns a roofing company, even like a home improvement website. Often they have blogs. You can even write a 500,000 word article, reach out to the owner of that site, and trade them an article for a backlink. That happens all the time out there. So that's just a tip for you. So those are the 3 ranking factors. Next, I want to take your opponent's website here and put it in this tool called Ahrefs. This is not a free tool. This is a tool I pay for monthly. There's free, similar tools that are free out there, but this gives us some good statistics on websites. So they have about 202 referring domains or backlinks. 258 keywords are being found for. That's getting them approximately 334 clicks a month to their site. And if we look here at the actual organic keywords sorted by traffic, roofing Orlando, it shows them in position 7. This is wrong. This would be in the teens. There's got to be a bug in this one. Going down here, this is the one I searched, 250. Position 4, this is about right. 26 clicks a month to their website. This guy, they're in position 5, 17. So you can see these are what we call buyer intent keywords, high buyer intent keywords, meaning somebody searches these, they're looking for a roofer, they just don't know which roofer. And if you're in the top 3 positions, even a little bit of number 4, but generally the top 3, you're going to get a lot of calls for these kind of keywords. If you're outside of the top 3, those calls fall off sharply. So it's important to be in the top 3. So according to this tool, these guys are getting 334 clicks a month. Let's knock that back to 200. Say they're getting 200, they close at 10%. That's 20 new roofs or roof repairs a month. I don't know what that would do for your company, but I know somebody out there would happily take that, especially since it's not paid traffic. So let's compare that to your site. Looking at 29 backlinks, 75 keywords, 5 traffic. And if we drill into the keywords, what's your company name? I'm looking for those buyer intent keywords. Roofing Orlando, 200. You're on page 5 at the bottom. Commercial Roofing Orlando, 30. You're on page 4. So you can see all of the buyer intent keywords, and you're sitting on page 4 or 5, and then it just gets worse as you go down. So you are ranking for some of these keywords. That's good. Your backlink profile is not strong enough. You definitely need to get stronger backlinks and more of them. It looks like somebody may have started trying to get you some of those backlinks, but coming here, you can see the strength is at the bottom. Higher is better. Most of your backlinks are here in under 20, so that's not going to cut it. You definitely need to increase the volume and the strength of those backlinks to help you out. So hopefully that helps. That's all I've got for you today. I'm hoping I gave you some tools to help you at least help yourself a little bit, or get the right direction or understanding. If it did, hit reply, let me know, as I said earlier on in the video. If you guys do want to do something about your website, but you're not really, wanting to do anything yourself, this is obviously what I do for a living. I'm right out here in Sarasota. Would love to chat and see if I could be of service, or at least, guide you or answer some questions for you. So with that, I will let you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.